Hey everybody, so we're here at a local lake this afternoon. Me and Jesse been doing a little weed eating around the lake, cleaning it up. We got a bunch of FFA high school kids coming out here to fish with us. So we've been cleaning up the lake a little bit, and Jesse found a Georgia yellow jacket nest down there by that orange bucket. So we had to clear on around that way to get away from that. But we got a bunch of high school kids coming. This is what my truck looks like now when we're getting ready to take kids fishing. We got a heap of fishing poles, got 300 crickets, I got 10 buckets of worms, and got the Yeti buckets, and we're about to start tying on some hooks and bobbers and getting ready to see what these kids are going to catch today. So we're going to try and teach these kids a little bit about bluegill and brim fishing. We have got, you know, just the regular little rods and reels, Evco 33s and stuff for that. And then we've also got some Evco 808s that we're going to use for some kids to try and catch catfish. So these are the hooks we're using for the brim, just number 4 long shank hooks so we can get them out easy. And just going to go down here, we've got some 808s, brand new 808 rods and reels for some kids that are going to try and catch catfish, and they got some 6/0 circle hooks on them. So just getting all this stuff rigged up. See what came in my Amazon shipment. So we got some rod holders. Ordered these off of Amazon. Pretty nice. And then we also got this trash can bucket topper. That's a real neat thing. You just stick your brim in here, and some of y'all are thinking, well, I got brim bigger than that. Okay, well, just don't use this. But this is an awesome thing for just pretty good size brim. Hand size brim will go in there easy. Their fins will fall down. Keeps them from jumping out of the bucket if you're going to keep them alive. So that's just what we got going on today. We got today is crickets. Obviously, we got a few hundred crickets. We got night crawlers, green night crawlers, whole kernel corn. We got the jumbo mealworms. Somewhere here I got a pack of little mealworms. So we got all kinds of brim bait. Most of these kids brought their own fishing tackle in there, throwing out for bass and different fish. So we'll see what they catch. Let's see if I can open this can of corn. It's our little unconventional can opener here.
Pour out the water and won't get it.
Yeah, pour some of it out.
Did I tell you how I caught that bass at Martha? The second it hit the water, pop out of the water to hit it.
Oh, yeah.
He jumped out of
That's
the water
what they do.
3 or 4 times. I was like, man, that's awesome. Then my wife got so nervous and she lost her other feet too.
That's our unconventional can opener, and Jesse's story about his wife and her bass.
Yeah, so I see you, look, drive, you can't see, you
Is it supposed to sound like that? Yeah. That's wild. Look, you already got him one.
Well, there's first fish of the day. He'll win a prize.
Out of way, Wimpy.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any bites yet? They caught one down there, so there are fish here. Well, we got a pretty good turnout. Got a bunch of kids here fishing already. Most of them brought their own gear, which is fine. We just got all these rod holders and stuff and baits, and some of them are fishing for bluegill, but most of them are trying to catch a bass.
Yeah, it's a bluegill.
All right, I'm gonna put you a cricket on
Mealworms are the
here.
nastiest ones. They spew their guts everywhere.
My dad used to have a top tree and throw them down.
Now, if you throw that out like that, you're gonna have to be dragging it back in every time you throw it out. You know that, right? Because that's fake. They're not gonna go after that if you just let it sit. If it was alive,
All right, you're rigged.
it'd be perfect.
I think it's maybe deep up through here. Yeah, I know it's deep down at the dam, but I think that used to be fairly deep too when they dug it out. What you got on there?
Nothing right
No.
now. About to put a worm on there. I had a cricket over there, but my weight, I needed to put another weight on my thing, so it just flew off.
That's probably big old night crawlers. Here they are. All right.
The thing I like about these little ponds is you can catch just about anything on a worm.
Oh yeah. Well, I brought a little kid out here one day. I guess he was 7 or 8, and we had hot dog chunks, and he caught a 6-pound bass on a hot dog chunk.
Really?
And he was pretty excited.
Steve, you should have done the little marination thing.
I should have. I was gonna get some hot dogs with some Kool-Aid and garlic powder on it.
Yep.
I didn't have time to do it.
I had forgot about this till after we got in the Hornets, and we didn't weed eat this over here, but next time maybe we can get this all weed eated too.
We saw a catfish like surface right there.
Overhead.
The ocean.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no trees in the ocean.
Yeah. That's one thing I like hot
No, it's not going far at all. Like, it won't cast out far.
Oh, you need
So-
more weight. You get her some more weight.
You got her a weighted bob.
There you go.
Okay.
Cammy catching our fish?
Cammy?
Somebody caught something down there. You don't want to touch those 3 spikes.
He's the most.
Okay, so these 3 things will get you this point, and that point.
Okay.
So you grab him like this, so he can't get away.
Okay.
And then you got him hooked pretty good.
Do I get a picture with my fish? Wait, can you put your thumb in these fish's mouth?
You can. He'll chew on your finger a little bit, but he won't hurt you. I got a pair of grips over there somewhere.
Avoid that area right there. There's hornets.
Yeah, don't cut through there. Can't see from
That
the
is
ground.
Natalie.
That little hook is
in there.
tied in his whisker.
Close that yet. Keep driving. I'm gonna drop to enough to drive.
You got a little knife.
No, what you got?
The plastic is still on here. I can't get it.
So the line looks like it got around behind this spool. So you done?
Yeah, I gave up. I just wanted to try it.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the pictures.
Somebody had a good bite and missed it.
Oh, that was that way.
Yeah. That's what that noise was. I recognize that noise. Jesse, they just missed a good bass right over there.
I did.
He did. One of those boys did. I heard him.
I caught a sea monster.
Oh man, that's
wondering what you were fishing with.
Not that. Not that at all.
Where are the bees? Over here?
yeah, right down there by that orange bucket. His mouth.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll just hold him.
Okay, don't let him flip around and go.
Don't let him stab you.
Okay, which one's
One
hurt?
thing I forgot to bring.
Why is it making noise?
He just talking to you. Jesse, you got your
Wait, let me
camera
look
on?
not scared because it's making noise. Okay.
You want me to put it on?
Give a kiss.
Dude, I forget about that thing, man.
Oh, Lord have mercy. What? My dad used to make me do that before.
Yeah,
Where's
we, just let him go anywhere. Just toss him right
I
there.
have one.
He ain't gonna be hurt if you drop him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right there at the picnic table, there's a whole
you go.
pile of them.
You caught the one fish I was trying to catch. On a
All
bobber.
right, on a worm, on a bobber.
That's insane. I didn't know they did that.
Oh yeah, there's up against the picnic table. We got like 10.
I'm scared of any of them. Oh, that one looked a little hesitant.
Is that the only? Okay, good. I was trying to not look scared. But he was making a weird noise.
They do that.
Yeah, they'll growl at you.
You getting another bite?
No, not yet. I'm gonna just move it though.
Did you get that one straight out in front of us?
Yeah, right over in that area
Yeah.
somewhere.
There's a hole somewhere back over to the left a little bit too that was good there eating. But they're all out through here. I mean, this lake's
Oh, yeah.
full of them.
Yeah, they said that you just restocked it, right?
I
they-
used to stock it a lot. We hadn't
Yeah.
restocked it lately, but I'm gonna talk to them about putting some more in here.
They just
Getting
got
it.
one down there.
Yeah.
I don't know what they
Oh
got.
yeah. Bluegill. There it went. I see it go up in the
Oh.
tree.
Yeah.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.